What's the meaning of Analysand? Analysand. 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 Analysand.
Analysand is a term used in psychoanalysis to describe a person who is undergoing therapy or analysis. It refers to an individual who seeks to better understand their own behavior, emotions, and motivations by exploring their subconscious mind with the help of a trained therapist. The goal of therapy is to provide the analysand with insight into their thoughts and feelings, enabling them to gain a deeper understanding of themselves and their relationship with others. Ultimately, this self-awareness can lead to improved mental health and a greater sense of well-being.